to Cooking with Debs,
Sophia, and Jaden.
And today we are making some Easter cookies. As Christians, we believe that on Good Friday, Jesus was crucified on a cross, and that's why people have hot cross buns at this time of year. But we found a slightly different recipe, which is hot cross cookies. And then we believe that he rose again on Easter Day. So Jaden's going to read us the list of ingredients.
Hot cross cookies. 1 egg, 200 grams butter or margarine, 100 grams light brown sugar, 250 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 100 grams of sultanas or raisins.
And the thing I forgot to add is something on top to make the cross. So we're going to use some white chocolate that we will melt and drizzle on in the cross shape. If you want to, you could just use a bit of icing sugar or anything that you think of to make a cross. So we will start with our margarine. We'll put that in there. Right, this is actually Demerara sugar, which is quite coarse and hard. So I put it in my Ninja Bullet to blend it up because I didn't have any soft brown sugar. You could just use ordinary white sugar or caster sugar. Basically, use what you've got. That's it. Do you want to start maybe with a fork? Mix it together a bit. Jay, would you like to crack the egg? So we're going to put our margarine, our sugar and our egg in together and blend them up. If you've got an electric mixer, you can get that out if you want to. Okay, Jaden's cracked the egg and he's going to put that in. Sophie's been mixing up the margarine and sugar really well. Give it a really good mix. If I get a spatula. You can just spread off the skin of it. So we've blended the margarine, the sugar and the egg together well. You can use your electric mixer, or Sophie's just done it with a fork and then with a wooden spoon. Next up, add the flour, Jay. Yep. Oh, at this point I will tell you we've got the oven on, possibly. We've got the oven on at 180 degrees C, which is 350 Fahrenheit, or gas mark 4. And we're just going to preheat that, and we also need some grease tins. Or baking trays. Okay, do you want to add in we're using raisins or sultanas.
In there?
Yeah. If you really don't like dried fruit, you could put in some chocolate chips instead. We're using the dried fruit because that's similar to like what would be in a hot cross bun. Okay, we almost forgot to add the baking powder and the cinnamon, so Sophie's just going to do that. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Because we've got the cinnamon with the shaky top, we'll just have a nice good shake. So a little bit more. Lovely. We've also very liberally greased our baking trays. Got me carried away there. Right, give it a good mixture. Yeah. It would have been better if we had put the baking powder and the cinnamon in with the flour and mixed them together. But it doesn't matter. So we should be making a nice biscuit dough, cookie dough. So we've got a nice mix there. It's quite a sticky dough, so that's what we'll do. Let's take a spoonful. Okay, we've made 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 cookies on our greased baking trays, and those can go into our preheated 180 degree oven for about 10 minutes until golden. Okay, so we cooked these, I think they actually cooked for about 11 minutes, but just keep an eye on them, see if they look nice and golden. And we are carefully drizzling on a white chocolate cross to represent the cross that Jesus died on. Thank you for watching Cooking with Debs. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll hopefully see you next time.